Hello everyone, myself Supriya Nitin Kakade. I am MA B.Ed in Economics. I teach in Sahyadri Junior College, Bhandup. Today's paper topic is use of scrap newspapers for learning during COVID-19 lockdown period. During this pandemic COVID-19, teachers are facing some challenges and it is not possible to reach each and every student. To make the students uninterrupted, I had made interesting, easier, skill-based, and I have coupled technology with activities-based learning. I have asked the students to make maximum use of scrap newspapers as a learning material. I have made a WhatsApp group of my students. The aims and the objectives: to learn the importance of the newspapers, to inculcate use and coming up with innovative ideas, to get acquainted to the technology, to integrated theoretical knowledge. The present activities involves maximum use of scrap newspapers. To make these activities fruitful and maximum use of scrap newspapers and helpful to all the age group, I categorize it into 3 different age groups. The first one, age group of 6 to 9 years, finding the craft and drawing from the newspapers. B, age group of 10 to 14 years. They were given the choice, finding the interesting topic from the scrap newspapers and compulsory finding the 10 new words and increasing their vocabulary. The next group is 15 to 17 age group. I have made a WhatsApp group of the students. The self-administered questionnaire was given through Google Form to find beneficiary capacity of use of scrap newspapers for learning with yes and no type of answers. Students were asked to find the pics or photos from the newspapers. They need to find out the information regarding the fashionable clothes, which fabric it is, which brand it is, and what is the price. Students were also asked to find the 10 new words to increase their vocabulary. Next, banking sector, which is my subject economics, knowing about the commercial bank, various types of accounts, minimum deposit, free facilities. The results and the discussion. The age group of 6 to 9 years had come up with the mixing the drawing and the craft and giving a safe message. Like drawing a snake, they have given hum andar to corona bahar. Use of sanitizer, saving the earth from coronavirus. Age group of 10 to 14 years, they had made a beautiful doll from the scrap newspapers, had made a greeting card and finding out the information regarding the fashionable clothes, about the fabric, about the brand, about the price. The age group of 15 to 17 years, self-administered questionnaire was given through Google Form to find a beneficiary capacity of use of scrap newspapers for learning with yes and no type of answers. I have given 7 questions. It starts with simple and move to the complex one. The first 3 questions were related with their name, their phone number, their email address, and the 4th question was which newspaper they read. 66.7% says Marathi newspaper, 38.1% says English newspapers. What is the name of their newspaper? 19% says Lokmat, 9.5% says Hindustan Times, 4.8% says Bombay Times. What they find interesting in the newspaper, which topic? So 95% says fashion, 81% says latest news, 57.1% drawing and sports, 52.4% puzzle, 10% advertisement, 5% politics. Students had improved their vocabulary. This is related with my subject economics, knowing various commercial banks, what type of account they are giving. So again 7 questions has been framed. 3 questions they have to find from the textbook itself and remaining 4 are related with the graph. Now the 4th question is they have to find from the newspaper any graph. Now the 4th question is they have to find from the newspaper any bank. They have to click the photo and upload it, and remaining questions are related with that, like what is the minimum deposit does various commercial bank takes. So 90% says 1000 rupees, 20% says 500 rupees. What are the free facilities given by the commercial bank? 80% gives debit card, 60% credit card, 70% free internet banking, 50% free DD RTGS for the fees payment. The conclusion is, here the students learned the importance of newspapers, They come up with the creative ideas. They learn to develop thinking in different directions. They improved their vocabulary. They came to know about the fashion trade, the fabrics, the brands, and the prices. Students learn from the textbook as well as the newspapers about the commercial bank. Thank you.